Hello everyone, today we are going to study chemical reaction and equation, which is the first chapter of class 10th science, and this video is made on the behalf of Swami Vivekananda English Public School. So let's start the chapter. Our chapter name is chemical reaction and equation. Now classification of chemical reaction. How many types of chemical reaction are there in the nature? Okay. तो केमिकल रिएक्शन जो होता है वो 5 प्रकार का होता है. देयर आर 5 टाइप्स ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन. लेट्स क्लासिफाई इट. केमिकल रिएक्शन. Chemical reaction are 5 types. The first is combination reaction. Second one is decomposition reaction. Third one is displacement reaction. Fourth one is double displacement reaction. And the fifth one and the last is redox reaction. We also know redox reaction as oxidation reduction reaction. You don't need to learn all the definitions of these types of reaction. We will find a reaction, we will compose reaction, we will not learn reaction because it is hard. We will find an easy method to learn everything. Okay, you all know the meaning of combination. What does it mean? Combination मतलब किसी भी चीज का जोड़ना. Okay, combination of anything, like combination of a light and fan, it is also a combination. Okay, combination of we can say water and Horlicks, it is also a combination. Water and Horlicks. Okay, combination of tea leaves and milk, it is also a combination. कॉम्बिनेशन मतलब जोड़ना, किसी भी दो चीज का जोड़ना, वो कॉम्बिनेशन होता है. ओके, हियर वी कैन से व्हेन two or more, okay, when 2 or more substance react to form one single product. When 2 or more substances react to form one single product, it is known as combination reaction. Okay, we have composed it. Combination, combined. Here 2 or more substances is combined to form a new substance. For example, we can say Mg, this is one substance, magnesium, and we will add another substance, oxygen. Okay, it gives us MgO. This is a new substance. 2 or more substance, okay, react करता है ये दोनों to form a single product, एक single product मिलता है. This is known as combination reaction. Okay, now we will study decomposition reaction. First understand what is meant by decomposition. Decomposition मतलब किसी चीज का टूटना, बिखरना. Okay, decomposition reaction. When a reactant, when a reactant is broken down into two or more product, it is known as decomposition reaction. Okay, for example, we can take CaCO3, that is calcium carbonate. Okay, we will heat it, calcium carbonate को हम लोग हीट करेंगे, we will get calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Here the one substance, one reactant got break down into two molecules of another element. Okay, this is known as decomposition reaction. Here the calcium carbonate decomposes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. You will be thinking, what does this triangle mean? This triangle means any agent that break down this reaction, either it be energy or anything. Okay, any catalyst. This is known as, this triangle means catalyst or any agent. Catalyst and agent. We will study about catalyst further. Okay, now displacement reaction. You all have studied displacement in class 9th chapter motion. Okay, in physics displacement means कोई भी चीज एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जो उसका स्थान में परिवर्तन होता है उसे डिस्प्लेसमेंट कहते हैं हम. द चेंज इन पोजीशन ऑफ अ सब्सटेंस फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर इज नोन एज डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. ओके, when a more reactive element or compound, more reactive element or compound displaces any atom or molecule from a less reactive compound is known as displacement reaction. This definition seems to be a difficult definition. Okay, so we will study this in a very easy manner. Displacement means one thing from position A went to position B. This is displacement. स्थान में परिवर्तन, displacement. Okay, तो हम लोग सोच सकते हैं ऐसा कि डिस्प्लेसमेंट कौन करेगा. अगर मेरे पास एक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टेक एन एग्जाम्पल in layman's language we will understand this. Okay, taking an example, this is a very strength man. Okay, this is person A. Okay, this is person A. He is very strong, and this is person B. He is weak. W for weak, S for strong. Okay, the weak person has a chocolate. Okay, this is chocolate. The weak person has a chocolate. Here the stronger person can easily take the chocolate from weak person. जो stronger person है वो तुरंत छीन लेगा weak person chocolate जो है, but this weak person can't take anything from the strong person. This is ability. Okay, a strong person has more power. He can take it. He can वो जो वीक पर्सन उसको दो मतलब कि कुछ मार सकता है और उसे छीन सकता है कोई सामान, लेकिन ये जो वीक पर्सन है, वीक कंपाउंड जो है वो कुछ भी नहीं छीन सकता है स्ट्रॉन्ग मतलब कि स्ट्रॉन्ग कंपाउंड से। ओके, कपड़ा कहाँ गया? ओके, सिमिलर टू दिस, taking an example, iron plus copper sulfate gives iron sulfate plus copper. When you will learn the reactivity series in further chapter, you will learn that iron is more reactive, it is more powerful than copper. In reactivity series, iron is at topmost and copper is lower than iron, low reactive than iron. So here iron is more powerful and he can take anything from this copper because copper is less reactive. So here iron displaces the copper, displaces the sulfate from this copper sulfate compound. Okay, here because iron is more powerful and copper is less powerful, iron can easily take sulfate from this and becomes iron sulfate and copper becomes alone. Okay, this is displacement reaction. Iron जो है ये कॉपर से इस सल्फेट को ले लेता है, डिस्प्लेस कर लेता है, छीन लेता है, बिकॉज आयरन इज मोर पावरफुल, ही कैन टेक इट. ओके, दिस इज नोन एज डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. There are many more examples given in your NCERT. You have to learn all the examples of NCERT. Friends, we will study further of this chapter in next video, and for any query you can contact your teacher or you can ask your query in our comment box. We will definitely try to answer all your queries. So thanks.